Here we are calculating a project's NPV, and so we are in a standard capital budgeting framework. So recall that the NPV decision rule, that is, calculate a project's NPV and then accept if it's positive or reject if it's negative, is our decision-making framework in corporate finance. So mechanically, the NPV is simply the present value of all of a project's inflows, net of the present value of all of the project's outflows. And so in order to do this, we need a timeline that represents all the project's cash flows, and then we need a discount rate, and then we can run this through our calculator or Excel and have the answer. And so in this problem, we need to just identify what the cash flows are and associate them with the correct points in the timeline. So let's start with this. We have this word initial outlay. So anytime you see initial outlay, you just need to recognize that that is a time zero cash flow on the timeline. We'll go ahead and put that on here. So at time zero, we've got minus 831,000. So that's an outflow. And then we've got cash flows in each of the next 4 years. And so we're going to have a 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the timeline. We'll go ahead and fill those in as such. And so now our timeline is ready. And finally, we need a discount rate when we're calculating these present values. And in NPV analysis, oftentimes we refer to the discount rate as the cost of capital. So that is just going to be our R, or our discount rate. We call it cost of capital because a manager has to deliver certain returns to its capital providers. And so we are now ready to go. We can say the NPV at time zero is the present value of all of these one at a time added up together. So the present value of a time zero cash flow is just that cash flow. We need neither discount nor compound. Here's the present value of the first one. Discount 1 period. Present value of the second one, we discount 2 periods. Present value of the third one, we discount 3 periods. And finally, the present value of the fourth one, we discount 4 periods. Run that through our calculator or Microsoft Excel, and we will get a final answer of $135,233.40. This is positive, and so the decision rule says accept the project.